My name's Dasha Naidoo. I'm the product lead in the Sanlam that belongs in the broader Sanlam Group company, which is a financial services company across life insurance, retirement, health, and also rewards. It was a really interesting process evaluating a customer engagement platform. I joined Sanlam earlier this year, and that was like my main focus was, what tool can we actually bring in that will meet business needs, but also, give our customers a great experience. And we started evaluating 3 different tools. MoEngage just had the edge. So there were multiple things that actually, tick all our boxes and what you were actually looking for. And it wasn't just the software. I think MoEngage gave us a well-rounded experience because it was great product with a great sales experience. The team were just so supportive through it. And also we're able to talk to the team about the methodologies, not just the features. It's how can I use it to actually change my business and improve our customer journeys. So I think it was a complex product, but then also we needed our engineering team involved quite a lot. And one of the major goals for me was when we were selecting a tool is how to enable our marketing teams to self-serve with as little input from data or tech. Like I want our marketers to be able to go in there and build 40 campaign one day if they have to, and not have to be like, oh, I can't do this because I'm waiting for an engineer to do something. So it was actually talking use cases where you relate previous experience that you had in the industry similar to us, but also bring a new take to it. The fact that you worked across multiple industries and be able to apply something that's not financial services to a financial services company. For me, that's really exciting and innovative. People love to stay in their day, and I like the idea of, let's try something that was done in retail, in financial services, or something that was done, in crypto, in the traditional financial services. Like, let's try and talk about different things. And MoEngage really brought perspectives to us. So it wasn't very one-sided. It wasn't telling us what we wanted to hear. It was sometimes challenging me, and I really liked that about it. It also, I must call out when we went into difficult discussions sometimes, and I appreciated when the team would say, no, we can't do that, or we don't do it that way, but here's a different approach. You were single view of the customer. I think it was 5 minutes into that demo part of the session, and I would listen to that interface, be able to see that customer, be able to look at their activity, look at those attributes. For me, that was fundamental and a huge pain point for Sanlam. We have the same customer across multiple business units, and we don't actually focus on what that customer is doing. It's always been an inside view, an inside out view of the world. And I felt like MoEngage is going to give us the ability to look at an outside in view as well. Like, what does our customer actually do? What does our customer need? And how we can actually solve that. So being able to bring those data sources together into that single view, this was at a fundamental selling point. So I think it's so important for us to actually consolidate that view of the customer and then just actually manage that customer journey, walking with the customer. And I feel like MoEngage really gives us that ability to do that. Instead of, us trying to dictate the path, we now have the ability to actually talk to the customer where they are in the journey and with the context that's relevant to that. And that's where our Coke and Lou will be in a gear star.